it's hard to get customers. Yeah,
Mm.
because it's a lot of them there. So what is it, Nay? Uh, uh, do you go there every night?
So, may time na hindi ako kikita, so nauutang ko yung bayad ng
Ano
alaga.
face mask mo po, Nay,
Ah,
kasi hindi pa rin.
nauutang ko yung pagbayad ng yaya ng mga bata.
She said sometimes she go there and she don't get customers, and she get credit. She has credit to the nanny who's the one taking care of her child when she's working. Do you get any customers there sometimes? You
Oo.
do?
Mm.
She said she need to, because if she don't do that, she cannot, she don't have nothing. How much they pay you? 500, 1,000? Mostly
1,000, 1,000.
1,000, 'di ba? Kasi yung ibang customer diyan, pag alam nilang may edad na, mambuburaot na sila, 'di
Mm.
ba? She said 1,000, and she has to pay the girl, which is the mama sender in Walking Street.